Hello? The weasel is in the kitchen, and the butter is brown. I'm sorry?
The reporter is dead.
What? I killed the reporter.
I think you have the wrong number.
Who is this?
Hello?
The weasel is in the kitchen, and the butter is brown.
Okay, the weasel, right. And my ex-wife and the minister.
The reporter
Is dead.
The reporter, right, the reporter. But my ex-wife and the minister, they're both dead, killed, right? You killed them. You killed them?
Frank, you didn't say anything about your ex-wife.
For a minister. I didn't even know you were married, for God's sake.
Frank? Who's Frank? Who is this?
Who is this?
Don't use payphones. It's just stupid. Brought to you by Cell Phones America.